Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw TRC20 USDT from Trust Wallet to Bybit. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and then you will have to use this search bar in the top, and in the search bar you will have to type USDT. Once done, you will be able to see USDT on bunch of different networks like USDT on BNB Smart Chain, on Tron, on Ethereum, Polygon, etc. But as we want to withdraw TRC20 USDT, so you will have to tap on USDT Tron, which is the TRC20 network. Over here, you will have to tap on the send button, and then it will ask you to provide the address or the domain name of that particular location at which you want to send your USD. So in order to get it, you need to launch your Bybit mobile application, and then you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you need to tap on Deposit over here. You will be able to see bunch of different options that would help you to deposit money in your Bybit account. But as we want to withdraw it from Trust Wallet, you will have to tap on Deposit Crypto option. Then you are going to see all of the cryptos that you can deposit in your Bybit exchange. Now you will have to use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you simply need to search for USDT. Now once you have found USDT, you simply need to tap on it, and then it will ask you to choose the chain or the network. So over here you will be given various networks, but as in the Trust Wallet we have selected TRC20 network, so you will have to select the same network over here. And then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy the deposit address from your Bybit exchange. Then you need to come back to this page again, and after that in the address bar you need to paste that address that you have copied. Then in the amount section you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and after that you need to press next in the bottom on the next page. You just have to confirm your transfer, and this way you will be able to easily withdraw your TRC20 USDT from Trust Wallet to Bybit exchange. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.